Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to share with you some tips on how to make your next client portrait photo shoot in the studio more fun, relaxed and interesting. The first tip that I can give you is to start the shoot with some sitting poses. Ask your client to sit on the ground or on a chair. I tried both. I suggested a sitting pose because when people sit, they naturally feel more relaxed.
Didn't give up. I got my first real kiss behind the coffee shop. Thought he was the one until we broke it off. I recall it still in his beat up truck. Yeah, I cried like hell. Then I told him off, or I would never come back to this town. But now I'm here once again, and things that I forgot just keep flooding by, the memories that I'm made of. Damn, my heart still beats for the place where I grew up. I worked that later shift at the local bar, but said I'll make it big.
The next tip is to ask the client to bring several outfit options. Sometimes different clothes inspire a different mood in people. Maybe one of the outfits will make the client feel more confident, which makes the whole process more relaxed and fun for them. The other reason for outfit change is to have more different picks for your clients to choose from. Look at it that way. If you give your clients 50 of the same pictures, how much of them will they really want? Another way to give your clients a variation of photos, especially in the studio, is to change the background or shoot with different light setups. If you need some ideas for different light setups, you can check the description of this video. The third tip on how to make studio shoots interesting and fun is to use props. I noticed that very often people don't really know what to do with their hands when posing. Using props gives them something to play with, which makes the pose looks natural and takes their mind off the actual process. In my case, I had those flowers and we play with them. The flowers give the shoot a cute look and a pop of color. In the end, for an hour of shooting, my clients got 3 different looks to choose from. We had a lot of fun and made some awesome pics. That's it from this video guys, like and subscribe, bye!